So today I'm going to make you revise back exercises. So first of all, please open your page number 86. Elephants on strike, page number 86. So our question is fill in the blank with correct phrasal verb from the above examples. So there is possibility that you will get option in this question. Okay, you will get question. Yes, Jyotin, what happened? In the bracket, you will be getting two phrasal verbs and you have to pick out one. Okay. So for that, you must know the meaning of each and every phrasal verb. So you can revise this thing. Look up to means respect. Look up to respect. Okay. Face up to क्या होता है? Accept. Next is drop out of, that is leave school, college or university. Look down on, underestimate. When you think that this is a very inferior man, ठीक है, ये मेरे सामने कुछ नहीं है. So that is look down on. Next is come up with, to contribute. Okay. Live up to fulfill. Now you have to fill in the blank using these phrasal verbs. So first blank. I repeat, those who just joined the meeting, this is for them. Page number 86, beta, fill in the blank with phrasal verb. So first one is, you should dash the situation and adjust. Yes, Jyotin. Face up to. Yes. So first answer is face up to. Face up to means accept the situation. Herman, go and get the book for you, beta. 6C. For Arman also. Let's discuss and dash with a good title for our play. Yes. Next one, online students. Drishti, tell me the third answer, beta. My cousin has dash his school this year. To leave the school.
Drop out of.
Yes. Has लिखा है तो बेटा dropped आएगा. You have to keep in mind if has or have is written, you have to use the third form of verb. Okay. Next one is Jasmeet. Jasmeet, fourth answer. Don't dash the poor. Yes. Correct. I think she is not responding. So look down on. Next one is Prakash works hard in his studies to dash his father's expectations. Khushi. Yes. 2 plus first form. So same answer will be there. Live up to. And last one. Oh, yes. Only one is left. That is Gaurish. Dash your teachers
Yes,
and
ma'am.
elders. Last one.
Ma'am, look up to.
Look up to. Yes. So beta, look up to your teachers or elders. Look down, never look down on poor people. Okay? Dropped out to just leave something, leave the school, college. Just revise these properly. Okay? Next one is, now come to next chapter. Page number 91. Next is page number 91. Beta, that is tense part only. वो grammar है, that's why we are not doing this. It will come in grammar test. Okay. So 91 page, complete the sentences based on the poem. Complete the sentences. You have to fill in the blank. I'm giving you 1 minute. Please revise them. Then I'll ask you questions. Page number 91. Fill in the blank from the poem. Try to fill the blank. Otherwise, I'll tell you. Yes, beta. Page number 91, first one is, the eye can hardly make out the horses from the cold shade they dash. Anyone? First online I'll try, then second blank offline. Yes, online students. Devang.
Shade in.
Shade in. Shelter in. Yes. Shelter in. Okay. Second one is, who will tell me? Himalaya, please open your book. I don't know where you are. मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रही है कहाँ lost हो. Yes. The wind helps us to distinguish the shapes till they become dash. Faded. Well done. Third one. Samriddhi. They were famous race horses about dash years ago. Yes, 15 years ago. Okay, number 4. Drishti, after
Yes,
that. Drishti, fourth answer.
ma'am. Artificed.
Artificed. And the last one, Harmeet. Harmeet, unmute and tell me the last answer.
मैम मैंने ना क्लास ज्वाइन मैम लेट हुई है मैम आपने इससे पहले कौन सी बैक सेस करा रहे थे
Beta, page number, let me see. Page number 86, blanks. Page number 86.
ओके
So anyone from offline, last blank. Last one. If the horses gallop now, then it is out dash. Just answer. Okay. Joy. Joy, joy. So these are the answer of page 91. You can fill in the blank if you haven't filled it yet. Okay. Now next one, Dashrath Manji chapter, page number 98. Page number 98. You have to learn these answers, beta. You have to learn the meaning of the idiom. First one is cross your fingers. What is the meaning of this idiom, cross your fingers? Pray for good luck. Okay. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute. Revise it, then you will close your books. And online students, you have to keep your video on, and then I'll ask you question. Your time starts now. You have 1 minute to learn these idioms, the meanings of these idioms. I'm writing the answer beta here. These are the answers. If you haven't done so, you can do it, then learn it side by side. Your time starts now. You have 1 minute. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स अगर वीडियो ऑन रखेंगे तभी कुछ बोलेंगे, नहीं तो उनको चांस नहीं मिलेगा. 312-547-6910-8. These are the answers. Sahib, learn quickly, beta. There is one spotlight option on Zoom app. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट जो है वो उनकी वीडियो को मैं पिन करूंगी, देन आई विल जस्ट लुक इनटू योर आईज कि आप आंसर देख तो नहीं रहे, देन यू हैव टू गिव मी आंसर. ओके. So idioms. 1 more minute. 1 minute. अच्छे से करना. Randomly, I'll ask you anyone. So I think all the students are ready. Please close your books, offline students. Then I'll give chance to online. Okay? Chaliye, one by one, quickly. Sahib, cross your fingers. Jalash, teacher's pet. Teacher's favorite. Well done. Khushi, snail's pace. Moving slowly. Mitarthi, bird brain. Not very smart. Speak your mind. Express yourself. Okay. Arshia. Oh, sorry. Sarabhyapak. Let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. Don't speak. Beta pass होना था आगे वो. Tell the secret. Okay. Arshia, raise a hue and cry. Make a lot of noise. Okay. Himalaya, slipped my mind. Forgot. Arman, raining cats and dogs. Okay, well done. I think all done. I'm all ears. I am all ears. I am all ears. Children, you must be all your ears. Attentive. Yes, next. Bird brain again. Not very smart. Raja in last one. Snail space. Snail space, beta. Snail ki pace. Okay, well done. So offline students, I think full marks. Only one student just spoke 2 times. Okay. So first one on my screen. Okay, Madhav. Madhav, now I can see you. You have to just look at the screen and tell me the answer of cross your fingers. Look at the screen. Cross your fingers. Okay, unmute.
Pray for good luck.
You can mute yourself. Next is Ritisha. Ritisha, you are on my screen. Please look at the screen. Okay. Your question is, I am all ears. I am all ears.
I am all attentive.
To be attentive.
I am all attentive.
Okay, well done. You can mute yourself. Yes. Next is Drishti on the screen. Drishti, look at the screen and tell me, slipped my mind. Slipped my mind.
Forgot.
Forgot. Okay, well done. Next is Devang. Devang, look at the screen. Speak your mind. Speak.
Express yourself.
Express yourself. Okay. You can mute yourself. Next is Gorish on the screen. Teacher's pet. Teacher's pet.
Ma'am, teacher's favorite.
Teacher's favorite. Okay. So you can mute yourself. Next is Ruhani. I can't see you. That's why I'm not making you unmute. Only the students who are on my screen. Raise your hands. Aditya Mahajan. Aditya, your question is raining cats and dogs. बेटा आप next वाला करो तब तक जल्दी से. Next page. Raining cats and dogs.
heavily.
Raining heavily. Okay. Well done. So next page, beta. Next page is again, you have to tell the meaning, beta. Column A, column B. Page number 99. Page number 99. First is wholeheartedly. The answer is with complete sincerity and commitment. You can write one thing, with complete commitment. Or sincerity, you can write one thing if you want. So I'm writing answers again. Again, you have 1 minute, and this time I'll start with online students, then offline. So 5, 6. Yes, Peter. These are the answers. 5, 6, 4, 1, 3, 2. 5, 6, 4, 1, 3, 2. Wholeheartedly, with complete sincerity. Half-heartedly, without enthusiasm or energy. You can use energy simply. Without energy. Play it by ear, to act spontaneously and according to situation. Again, to act according to situation. Bottom of your heart, very sincerely. About face, change direction. So you have 1 minute. Your time starts now. If your video is on, then only beta raise your hand. Otherwise, no need. I think we should start. So I'm starting with Shubh. Shubh, look at the screen only. So your question is half-heartedly.
Ma'am, without enthusiasm or energy.
Okay, without energy. Okay. You can mute yourself. Well done. Next is Rohani. Rohani, look at the screen and tell me wholeheartedly. Wholeheartedly.
Ma'am, with complete sincerity.
With complete sincerity. Okay, fine. Well done. Next, please raise your hands, beta. Only Harmeet, Devang, Gaurish, Drishti, only these students raise hands. And Madhav also. What about others? सारे बच्चे कैमरा बंद करके बैठे हैं. They might be sleeping. Ipsa, keep your video on, please. Turn on your video. Ipsa. Ipsa, are you there? Okay, then I'll.
Yes, ma'am.
Then please
Yes,
turn,
ma'am.
turn on your video. I'm not able to see you.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, now it's okay?
Yes, it's okay. Tell me the meaning of tight-fisted.
Ma'am, tight-fisted change direction.
You sure?
Ma'am,
Tight-fisted
unwillingly
बेटा ये होती है.
to spend money.
Yes. So you just hold money like this and you are unwilling to spend it. Okay. So next is Harmeet on my screen. Get ready, offline students. One last. Harmeet, about face. About face.
Change direction.
Change direction. Okay. Well done. Now, offline students, speak loudly so that online students can hear you. I'm starting with that side wholeheartedly. Jaldi se. Sincerity. If you don't know the meaning, spellings of sincerity in case, then commitment likh dena. Yes, please. Half-heartedly. Okay. Next. Play it by ear. To act according to the situation. Well done, Mitarthi. Bottom of your heart. About face. About face. Next, Sarab Vyapak, tight fisted. Well done. Arshia, half heartedly. Next, please, jaldi se beta, wholeheartedly. Huh? Okay, very sincerely. With complete sincerity. Complete, whole means complete. Okay, next, Arman. About face. Change direction. Tight fisted. Half heartedly. आधे दिल से काम करना. Half heartedly. Without energy. Without energy. Next. Bottom of your heart. Okay, well done. So everyone now quickly open your next chapter. Page number 105. You have to learn these meanings better. In exam, it will come like this. To speak softly using one's breath. Then you have to fill the blank using whisper. For the time being, इसको आप खुद करते रहना lunch break में. I am moving to the next one. Page 106. Prefix and suffix. Prefix and suffix. Page number 106. Prefix means you have to add something in the beginning. Suffix means you have to add something in the ending. Okay? Keep this thing in mind. ये ना हो कि वहां पे उल्टा कर दो. Pre मतलब पहले. You know this, right? Pre means in the beginning. Suffix means बाद में. Now please revise these things. For example, king word is there. You have to add suffix. Kingdom. Develop plus suffix. Development. Now you have again 1 minute. Revise it. Then I'll ask you question. Your time starts now. Okay, first answer is kingdom. Kingdom. Next is development. Ment. Ment. Plug. Prefix beta unplug. 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 Dance का dancer R लगा दो बस, ठीक है? Suffix R. Polite, impolite. M for monkey. Impolite. What do you want to write? Can you please plug in my laptop charger? Okay, plug in. Next is understand. I still do not understand. Okay. Next is dislike. Dislike. Next is kindness. Ness. Kindness. I need to rework. 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 To work again. Okay, rework. Next, last is independent. In. So I will ask you question like this. Add prefix to this word or add suffix to this word. I will not give you blank. I will directly give you the word and you have to just add suffix or prefix. Your time starts now. You have 1 minute. Politeness. Let me see. Do not be so, beta, do not see the sentence. Otherwise, if I'll give you one word, yes, politeness can be there. If I'll give you sentence, you have to write according to the sentence. If I'll give you just one word, you can make any of your choice. Now let's start. There are 10, so 5 I will ask you and 5 to online students. So first one, Harman. Add suffix to the word develop. Development. Himalaya. Add prefix to the word like. Like. Dislike. Okay. Jotin. Add prefix to the word work. WORK. Rework. Okay. Next, Jalash. Dependent prefix. Independent. Okay. Now suffix. Online students. Ritisha, suffix beta add karo dance. Yes, Ritisha? You have muted, I think, yourself.
मैम प्लीज मैम दोबारा बोलना
Beta dance word is there, you have to add suffix.
डांसर
Okay, well done. Jasmeet. Jasmeet, unmute.
यस मैम
Beta plug, prefix.
अनप्लग
Unplug. Okay. Next is Harmeet, I gave you turn so many times. Akshit, are you there? No? Okay, Madhav will tell me. Polite.
Impolite.
Suffix कौन लगाएगा polite को? Gauresh. Suffix to the word polite.
मैम impolite.
बेटा suffix क्या होता है?
ओ मैम जो पीछे लगता है.
Polite plus any word.
मैम politeness.
Politeness, okay. Politeness, politely. So anything can be there. So next beta. Page number 107. This is the part of grammar topic, adjective degrees. So don't do this today. ये grammar में करना, ठीक है? Now last one is trees poem. उसकी blanks. चलिए, I'm giving you 1 minute. Fill the blanks and tell me the answers. This is the last topic. This is the last topic. Page number 110, 110. Last topic of today. I'm going to start now with Savya. Savya, tell me the first answer.
First answer.
The poet has never seen a dash lovely as a tree.
The poet has never seen a poem lovely as a tree.
Poem, okay. Next, Shobh, second answer. Shobh,
Yes, ma'am.
second answer, beta.
A tree's hungry mouth gets water from the earth.
Okay, hungry mouth. Harmeet, next answer.
Yes, ma'am. It look at God.
It look at God. Okay. Now, offline students, please tell me next answer. Rajaryan after God. देख के बोल दो, it's okay. Pray. Number next, please. Yes. Next. Next, बेटा collectively बोल दो, please. Next. And the last one. Tree. Now we have revised the back exercises, and I hope in revision test you will be able to do this. Now word meanings, whenever you get time, please revise word meanings. Okay? जो आपको easy लग रहे हैं एक बार वो कर लो. If you are totally blank. वैसे तो आपको सारे करने चाहिए, but try to do the easy one because you are not having much time today. That I can't give surety, but something is better than nothing. कुछ ना करने से better है easy वाले कर लो. वैसे तो सारे करने चाहिए. Okay? So everyone, today you have test on Teachment app, online students only. So be prepared. Okay? All the best. And 6:20 पे link बंद हो जाएगा. Try to make PDF and send clear PDF. Okay, beta, take care.